I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. First, gather your dry ingredients. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, prepare your wet ingredients. 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother. Now let's create the perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing leads to tough pancakes. It's time to cook those golden pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test the heat by flicking a few drops of water onto the surface. They should sizzle. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook until golden brown. Your delicious homemade pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. You can also get creative with chocolate chips, nuts, or fruit compotes. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.